There's Rocksteady. King of the Pit TV. Yo, we are pitting tonight, people. 7 Survival, track number 3, Disembowel. Bro, I'm gonna have to go back straight into the riff. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Hey, hold on. Who's this guy then? Who's this dude? Who's Rifer? Who's Rifer? Said he was in Death. Bro, there's an alternate cover. The alternate cover's neat as well. I've seen that before. Who's this guy? Chris Rifer is an American death metal musician, one of the pioneers of the death doom genre. He played drums on the Death debut Scream Bloody Gore. Interesting. Wow. This guy's a head then. This guy's a bloody head. Lyrically, the band thrives heavily on horror, death and gore concepts. Nevertheless, these are not inspired directly by horror movies, although the title track is based on Stephen King's short story Survivor Type. The album was very influential for future death metal acts such as Cannibal Corpse, Entombed and Dismember. He's also a pioneer of gore lyrics. This album features Steve DiGiorgio on bass. Who's that? He is known for working with numerous heavy metal bands such as Sadus, Death, Testament, Megadeth, Sebastian Bach, Iced Earth, Autopsy, Obituary, Control Denied, Dragonlord and Child Wars of the Damned. Yo, this guy's got a resume. Wowzers. Various re-releases exist with different bonus tracks and bonus CDs. Furthermore, a different cover exists for the album which depicts the point of view of the person receiving the autopsy. Wow. Let's have a quick deke of what I'm listening to then. So, there should be 11 tunes on the record, one of them being a hidden track, and I've got 14. So that goes to show the difference. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. plenty of twists and turns. Couple of nice ignorant riffs in there. Few sludgier parts, few faster paced parts. Here, let's keep it moving. We've got Gasping for Air coming up. One thing I appreciated on this tune, which I appreciated in all of them, I really like them lower, virgin on guttural style of vocal he does. I think they're proper cool. Gasping for Air, track number 4 coming up.